So you might be wondering how to exactly get cooking and building recipes in Heartopia. So there are a few things that you may want to know here. So let's start with building recipes. Now, most building recipes come from progression, especially through story quests and resident requests. As you complete main tasks and even help characters here, uh, around the town, well, the game rewards you with new recipes as part of that progression. So a lot of players miss this because they expect recipes to be bought somewhere, but many of them are actually handed to you as rewards once you move the story forward and finish specific requests. Now, another big source is raising your DG member. So, DG member level using contribution medals. So as that level increases, you unlock building options, building new recipes. This ties building directly to your daily activities since contribution medals mostly come from daily tasks, events, and helping residents. And more consistent you are, the faster new recipes start coming up here. And also, exploration actually matters here too. So as you unlock new areas, biomes, you gain access to recipes that simply aren't available earlier in the game. So some building designs are region specific, so wandering into new zones, interacting with objects, and progressing exploration related quests can quietly unlock new blueprints without the game making it a big deal about it. So yeah, now what about cooking recipes? Well, cooking recipes here are quite easy. First things first is you want to make sure that you already have or you've unlocked the cooking hobby. Now, usually you should be able to unlock it immediately on level 5 if I'm not mistaken. But if not, you need to wait at least level 8, DG member level 8 here. As you can see, it gives you the option to get a new hobby, and basically you could go and just choose cooking. Now, once you do have cooking, you need to talk to Massimo here. So, by the way, this is the hobbyist for cooking. So, he's the one that you need to talk to as well if you want to get the cooking hobby. But yeah, once you do talk to Massimo here, you should be able to see the cooking store. And from then on, at the very bottom of his store, you should be able to purchase different recipes. But yeah, so that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.